We are pleased to show you the 2021 ILX. The luxury in the new Acura ILX includes leather-heated seats and a powerful array of voice command and high-end technological advancements, while being powered by a high-performance engine that propels this compact sports sedan quicker than you may expect. If enjoying the drive is something important to you, then the ILX might be the one you are looking for, and is priced below $35,000. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.